My day at the art show. Last Saturday, I went to an art show with my family. The exhibition was held in a big gallery filled with colorful paintings and beautiful sculptures. As soon as I entered, I was amazed by the creativity of the artists. I saw paintings of nature, animals, and people. One painting of a sunset over the ocean caught my eye. The colors were so bright that it felt like the sun was really shining. There were also sculptures made of wood and clay, shaped into animals and famous landmarks. I even got the chance to meet an artist. She told me how she created her paintings and gave me some tips on drawing. It was inspiring. At the end of the show, I bought a small painting as a memory of this wonderful day. I enjoyed my time at the art show and learned that art is a beautiful way to express feelings and ideas. I can't wait to visit another exhibition soon.